Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent Flow English, the channel where we teach English based on real life and strong foundations. Last time we practiced introducing ourselves, but to really speak clearly and read confidently, we need to understand the sounds of English, not just the letter names. So today we're going through alphabet sounds A through Z, just the basic most common sound for each letter. Let's get into it. Here's something important. In English, a letter's name is often different from its sound. For example, the letter B is called B, but the sound is just B, like in bat. The letter C is called C, but the sound is K, like in cat. That's why learning the sounds will help you speak more clearly, pronounce words better, and even read faster. Let's go through all 26 letters together. I'll say the letter, the sound, and a word example. You repeat after me. A, apple. B, bat. C, cat. D, dog. E, elephant. F, fish. G, goat. H, hat. I, igloo. J, jelly. K, kite. L, lion. M, monkey. N, nose. O, octopus. P, pig. Q, queen. R, rabbit. S, sun. T, tiger. U, umbrella. V, van. W, water. X, box. Y, yogurt. Z, zebra. Let's do a quick challenge. I'll show you a letter. You try to say the sound before I say it. Ready? M. S. D. Q. A. Nice job. If you got them right, that means your ears and mouth are getting used to the sounds of English. You did amazing today. Learning sounds is a big step in improving your speaking, reading, and spelling. Here's your quick homework. Pick 3 letters we learned today and write one word that starts with each sound. Leave it in the comments. I'll be checking. Next time, we're going to take those sounds and blend them into simple words. So don't miss it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English too. See you next time on Fluent Flow English.